Hello students, welcome to the grammar class. Today we will learn about conjunctions. The same chapter conjunctions we have studied in the lower classes also. In the second, third standard also we have studied the conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. What they join? They join words, phrases or sentences. They are also known as connection words. And so, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. And some common conjunctions we are using are and, so, but, or, because. These are some common conjunctions. And in the textbook, the how they are used, the details should not mention in the textbook. टेक्स्ट में इतना डिटेल्स नहीं बताया नहीं, तो भी मैं तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा ये कॉमन कंजंक्शंस कैसे यूज़ करना उसके बाद बता रहे. सो वी यूज़ एंड टू जॉइन टू वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस. दो वर्ड्स को और फ्रेज सेंटेंस को जॉइन करने के लिए यूज़ करते एंड यूज़ करता है. वी यूज़ बट टू लिंक वर्ड्स और सेंटेंसेस दैट आर opposite to each other. Words or sentences that are opposite to each other. Then we use or to suggest an option between two choices. We use or to suggest an option between two choices. We use because to give a reason for saying or doing something. So we use because to give a reason for saying or doing something. And another conjunction is although. Although or though. Both are same meaning. They are used at the beginning of a subordinate clause. The beginning of a subordinate clause. And another conjunction before. Before is used to refer to the order of actions in a sentence. Before is used to refer to the order of actions in a sentence. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words or connection words. They join words, phrases, or sentences. Okay? I hope all of you have understood. Okay? Bye.